So hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and today we are at Pavilion Hotel at Kuala Lumpur. Usually I'm not in Kuala Lumpur doing hotel vlogs. You can check it out, the last video that I made in Vienna International Hotel, and today we are in Pavilion Hotel. Before this video starts, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, that would be extremely awesome. Today we are living at 1016. Let's take a look. The door is heavy. As you guys can see, we have an extremely large space. Okay, let's start with the door side. The door side, you got painting here, which is extremely great. You got a place for put your suitcase, whatever stuff. In here, if we open up, try my best to open up. We got a dryer here, and then we got some other stuff. We got, I think that is for shoes. Sorry if my camera is a little bit blendy, something like that. We got some more dryer up here, and we also got pillow up. In the toilet, we got a mirror, we got a second mirror, we got I think this is something, and then we got some bottles for drinking. This is luxury. This is so luxury. You can see that we got some towels. We also got a hair dryer, the plug-in. We also got some body lotion and some soap. Down here we can see we have a place where you can check yourself how kg you are. And we got rubbish bin. Inside here is the toilet. Nothing to see here. And now we are going into the bathroom area. The bathroom area is not bathtub. We also got up here, and here you can adjust the water temperature. And here we got bathroom, we got a conditioner, and also got shampoo. So now let's go outside of the bathroom. Let's take a look inside. Oops. Okay, so as you guys can hear some beautiful music. And when we open here, this is our safety lock. And inside here, there's just some storage system. You can put all your stuff. Inside here, we got a tub. We can boil our water, and we also got a coffee maker here, this is the brand of the coffee maker. We also got some water, some more accessory stuff. And if we take a look inside here, more storage system. And here is our fridge. You can see the fridge is here. And then we open it. Wait, how do I open the fridge? Fridge, nothing inside. So when we close the fridge, and now we are opening here. Here you can see we got some coffee and some tea, like basic stuff you need in the hotel. Wow. At that time, I was speechless, basically. Yeah, let's get back into the video. Also got some dinings. Wow, that is really unexpected. It blew my mind. We got more storage system and some more storage system at the back. We also got a door for some reason. For this one, is put your dirty clothes. And here we got our large TV. The brand is LG brand. I'm not sure why this tower is here. We also got a table for doing your work, and this is the view at night. I will show you that later. And this is the seat, you can see it. And also we got 2 double beds, which the best thing about this is we also got sleepers, custom sleepers. Oh, I'm getting thirsty. And we got custom clothes. We also got some, I have no idea what it's at, but the cool thing about this is there's also a turtle here. Also a turtle here. Yay. And I see here we got our TV remote control. This is our telephone. And we also got all the power outlets and all the light stuff. And I just want to say one more thing about this. If you are reading something, you can just push here. You push here, and then it opens the lights. I don't know if you can really see it, but this light, you also can rotate the light, so you know where you want to rotate it, which is an extremely nice thing in the hotel. I love it all. So let's get to our next bit. So are you ready for the view? This is the view where I live in 10th floor. Let's take a look. Oops. As you guys can see, this is the view that I'm currently looking at. City Downstairs, all the malls. I'm not sure why with my camera so bad. Can see all the cars. This is the view. Extremely big windows. Just missed this. If you open here, you can see there's a lot of accessories, shower cap, all kind of stuff like that, and also down here. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. That would be extremely awesome. Leave a like, that would be better. 5 likes for today's video. Click the little bell for notification so you don't miss out any new videos. Bye.